We gotta go turn around and get Kim. We gotta go.
Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel Discover with Kim. I'm Kim. I am so excited that you're here today. Today's video is a really good one because it is an adventure vlog. In today's video I take you along with me to Holden Arboretum, which is a nature sanctuary. It is east from me. It is absolutely beautiful. It is huge and I take you through all the nature. In addition to that, there's a little bit of a surprise there this summer, which is Lego creations. So it was quite nostalgic for me because I played with Legos as a kid and I still build Lego now. I loved seeing these elaborate creations placed out into nature by these artists and really exploring the fun. So let's get right into it and go nature adventuring. Let's go.
Brother gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
We gotta go turn around and get Kim. We gotta go. Don't ask questions, come.
I got scared, you disappeared.
Just come.
Wait, he's gone. I'm just gonna wait here.
Yes, whenever I disappear, you wait. I found something. We have to walk into the woods for the wildflower garden.
Ooh. Okay, we'll do that and then we'll take a break and eat some food.
Preferably under there.
Under in the shade, 'cause I'm getting. Oh, it'll be warm. Cool in here. Ooh.
This was not, we didn't find this last time. Like, what is this?
Look at the cute little pet.
Yeah,
I
I
wanna
did-
live in here.
I didn't even enter. I saw the sign, I was like, I need to turn around and go get Kim. Haven't stopped recording since.
I wanna live here.
It's funny.
That's fine. Like I said, I just live in.
There's a whole thing. Billy the frog lives in here somewhere.
Cute. Why you hear him? There's cactuses.
That too. But no, there's a sign that
Oh.
says something about a frog.
About a frog.
His name is Billy the Frog.
Wait, really?
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed.
Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed my adventure at Holden and seeing those Lego creations. Let me know what kind of adventures you guys have been getting up to lately in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos, because I will be back next Saturday with another vlog. And I hope you guys have a fabulous week. Get out there and go discover, my friends. Bye.